Alright, here we are at OnlyWire, and if you go to onlywire.com and then click on sign up, you're going to get this page right here, create your account. So you're going to fill in this information. Alright, here you're going to click on free if you want a free service. If you want to pay, you can click here, but I'm going to show you how to do it the free way. And then down here it says you've chosen the promote plan. Click here and you click start OnlyWire. Okay, and then it'll sign you up, and then what you have to do is you want to click on tools. Alright, after that, and you'll come to this page here. Alright, content distribution tools, and right here it says get the button. Alright, this button right here, as you can see, is the little icon that's on my browser. So we're going to click here and get the button. Okay. Now, what type of website do we have? Well, if you set up a WordPress blog like we did, you've got a WordPress.com blog. Okay, so we're going to select this one. Alright. Customize your button. Now here's all the services. Okay, you click all these if you want all these services. Size and style. So let's click this button right here. Okay, this is going to be a little banner. You can change the colors and whatever else you want, but I'm just going to use this simple button right here. And then click on get your button. Okay. Now, all we're going to do is copy this text here. Okay. Select it and copy it. Then we're going to go to our blog. Okay. Just type in, paste into your browser, your blog.wordpress.com, wp-login. It'll bring you to this page right here. Okay. Let's see if I can remember my username. I have too many WordPress blogs to remember them all. Alright, but I only use a few passwords, so that's easy. Alright, I'll ask it to remember me. Okay, now we're at the dashboard of my WordPress blog here. And what we're going to do is go over here to Appearance. And then we're going to click on Widgets. Okay. Now, what we want to do is to add a widget. What is a widget? Well, it's something that does a certain function. There's a lot of different ones, as you can see. These are all widgets, okay? We want the text widget. So we're just going to grab this and drag it over here, and we can stick it anywhere. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and there it is. Now, that text that we copied before, we're going to paste it in right here. We can give it a title. Let's just call it OnlyWire button. Alright, it's our OnlyWire button. And we're going to click on Save. Okay, and then Close. And then we're going to scroll up here, and we're going to click on SEO Southeast Asia. See, visit site. And here's our home page. And there's our button. OnlyWire button. You click on here, it'll bring you to OnlyWire. Okay, this is how they get advertising from you, and in exchange they give you the service for free. Now you're ready to use OnlyWire, and they will come in and check the site. Alright, and then they'll verify that after you've gone through these pages here, the said, and you click on Start OnlyWire, they will go and check your site to make sure their button is on there. And there's a verify button that you press after you've gone through this process, and after you put that text into your website so the banner shows up. And that's all you got to do. And then you restart Firefox and this icon will show up. So every time you want to bookmark a page, you just go to the page, okay, as we did with our blog entry. Click here, and then you can produce all these bookmarks. Now before you do that, of course, you've got to go to all the different sites that you want to be part of, or that you want to use, like Delicious and Discover and Stumble Upon and Dig here, for example, and you've got to create an account. And what I do is create an Excel database, the same as I showed you, or the same that you have now to use for all the websites. Just create an Excel database with all these social bookmarking sites on them, and put in your username and password so that you can remember them. But basically that's it. This is how you can build a lot of links in a relatively short period of time. Okay? Now we talked about not building too many links at once, and you're probably not going to have the time to devote to it anyway. But if you can build, 80 or 90 links a day doing this, using this system, or even 50 or 60 links a day, that's still a lot, and it's going to add up, and it's going to really help your site. Okay? If we take a look at our other site here, okay, that's it for link building for now. As I said, this is a pretty easy way to build links. There's a lot of other things that we can talk about. I just don't think you're going to have the time to do these other things, but we're going to create some follow-up videos here over the next several months and show you more ways to build links in directories, in other people's blogs, different things like this. Okay, but this is a really good way to do it when you're first starting, and you'll see your links start to build up. If you go look up at the SEO Quake toolbar here, you'll see here's the links. You're not going to have this many right away, of course, but they'll start to add up, and they'll start to make a difference in your search engine results pages. Okay, when people do searches in Google and Bing and Yahoo, and it'll start to work for you. Okay, so in our next segment here, the next module I should say, we're going to talk about social networking and how you can use Facebook in particular to help your business.